Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be doing some bearings, wheel bearings, or idler wheel bearings in a Snowmachine. So I'm going to drop the skid out of my 2001 Grand Touring, which I'm also doing the chain case bearings and seals on. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to change these bearings that are pressed into these plastic wheels. Check it out. So tools you're going to need for this first order of business is you're going to need a good snap ring plier set. You can see there is a snap ring inside. So we were going to pinch this, remove this ring, and I'll show you how to get the bearing out of here super easy. Alright, this wheel in particular is pretty easy. This is a inside style of clip. So we're going to force our way in there. And totally getting your hands out of the way and your face out of the way in case it slips. Have that out, which exposes our bearing here. So simple way of doing it. This wheel is nice. We just flip it over. We're just going to get a socket that is the same size as that. 22 mil socket here fits the inside of the race. So now the bearing is even here. So now how do you get this out? Go over to the vise, or you could set up a couple of pieces of wood on each side like this. Suspend it. I'm just going to put it in my vise and knock this out. Alright, so we got the bearing out. As you can see, there's considerable rust. It's still nice and smooth. I'd repacked them a couple of years ago. I just thought it was time to go ahead and do them. These are, what are these? These are 6205s, the 2RS, which means double seal. Now a lot of you might fight with how do you get that in there like this, and you're fighting like trying to get that in, and very simple. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip it upside down on this particular wheel. Oh, almost had it. There we go. I just sat the bearing in like so. Now we're going to do the reverse of what we did before. Now when you're tapping your bearings in, make sure you're not hitting the seal so you don't damage the seal. I'm going to tap the bearing in until the bottom's out. You'll feel it in the hammer and the sound. You can flip it over and check. Sure that we have our groove all the way around. We can see it. Just give it another little tap here. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to wipe off our clip. Give it a little tap. And it's locked back into place. Now all we have to do is repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lots of times. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope you learned something. And don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.